anytime you can edit. No? Now now lower number I cannot edit. Higher number I can always edit. Now can I make this as 4,500? Yes. Yeah. Okay, this is not at all related issue. This is my system issue I am going on. Okay.
And if I change the
Year not required. Na? Year next year you will, even if I give for 2022 now, what is the use of it? System is going to use it here, na?
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Change year is separately you have to give again, right? Like this, I can give 2022, I can give again. No problem, I can give. So this is 2021, this is for 2020. The problem solved. Understood? Yeah. And for every year you can give separate. Is it clear? So here overlapping problem is not coming. Why? Because they are different years, na? Right? Understood? Yes? No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So any other doubt?
Sir, if we have created a batch session, then how we know that we have created a batch session?
We have created a batch session. How will we know we have created a batch session?
Yes.
Go here, see. System, services, batch input session. And you can see here date is there, time is there. That you can see whether it is created there or not. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Depending upon what date you are creating, it will show.
Oh, yes, sir. Got it.
Next. Yes.
Sir, if we create a GL entry and if you want to delete the GL entry, is it possible, sir?
That I will discuss next week, yeah? Not now.
Okay.
That is a separate topic. Next.
Sir, I blocked one showroom and I created another showroom. But while executing that, I am unable to see the showroom 4. I am just able to see showroom.
When you are posting that, the showroom 4 is not getting posted, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So check the recurring document for it, right? Where the starting date, what you have given, is it matching or not matching? Please check it. Yeah? Somewhere some problem is there, right? So recurring document has not been created for that properly. Okay? So especially
okay,
that
date. Document of recurring.
Your voice is breaking actually. I am not able to hear you properly.
Actually, I am able to see a document in where we can see the recurring document. Able to see that showroom entry tape.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Audible now, sir?
Yes, yeah, tell me.
Yeah, I am able to see that showroom 4 entry in the recurring document where we see the document. But while posting, I am unable to see that showroom 4 in the FBG.
So the point here is you have to check your FBG2. You check what date you have given here, right? So here, go to edit recurring entry data and check the first run on whether you have given what date you have given. If you have given the wrong date, it will not allow, no?
No, I have given the same date.
Yeah, see, if you have run, just understand, if you have run for June and July and then fresh you are creating for the new showroom, then you have to give for the next month, na? If you give back date, it will not post, correct?
Okay.
Yeah, you have to give the current date, na, here. Correct. So all of them you cannot do the same date, na? Already June, July you have already posted. Now you are in August month, but you are creating the new one as from June. How will it post? You have to post, give it August, correct?
Okay.
Got it?
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Okay, right. Yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I have a doubt how to block the document, sir. I have done a wrong post in GL document.
We will see that. That is the next topic. Okay, next.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
And, sir, can you please explain account assessment template?
Account assignment template.
Yeah.
So that is just FD50. You create a template, you use the template to post. After you have done it, you delete it. That's it.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
I will show you anyhow. Very, very simple it is. Go like this, FD50. You enter any document like this. Yeah, you enter like this. Epic. Some entry you will give like this. So, bank, whatever. Star here. Enter, then go to edit. Account assignment template, save as template. Give the name here, something like this. Yeah, and then click on the continue and save. When you save, it will be saved here. Yeah, it will be saved here. At the bottom, it will be. So we use that to post. You understand? Yeah, next time what I will do, when I am posting, what I will do, I will go and pick this up and make the changes and post. Later on, after I have done the postings, I can go and delete also like. Okay? So try to post using this DOM. After you create the template, you try to post. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Right, it's not. So background noise is there, please. Back on mute. Okay, right. So today we are going to continue with the open item management. Yeah. Open item management. Already we discussed that it is used to take care of two things. One, outstanding liabilities, and two, prepaid expenses. Correct? One is outstanding liabilities, another one is prepaid expenses. Yeah, outstanding liabilities means what? Right? So those which we are due to pay, correct? Yeah. So we discussed the example of our rent payable.
Rent.
Yeah, rent payable account, right? So we will create the rent payable account and we will post like this. So the rent payable account we will create and we will post like this. We will create, whenever the rent is due, we will post like this. And whenever it is cleared, we will post like this. So here, whenever this entry is posted, open item is created. Whenever it is cleared, this open item is cleared like this. Correct? Yeah?
Yes, excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, can you say this, open management, how we need to create rent account? I have done, but I need to clarify in that.
Rent payable account, right? I will show you once again.
Create one, sir.
So this is the rent payable account. Now go to your company code, that is PEE. This is my rent payable account.
Yeah.
Okay, note down. Liabilities, balance sheet, rent payable account. Control data, mainly we have INR, only balances, and mainly open item management.
Yes, sir.
First time we are taking this. Line item display 001.
Yes.
Create bank interest tab G001. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So now today we are going to go ahead with
నాకు కనిపిస్తుంది నీదే వీడియో పాజ్ అయింది
అవునా అదే ఏంటో అర్థం కాకుండా నాకు
నీ వీడియో వీడియో కాల్ వచ్చింది
a lot of background noise is there.
Sir, can you show how to post the entry in this?
How to post the entry?
Yeah, like rent expenses and rent.
Entry, yeah, normal entry.
Yeah, normal entry.
We have done that.
Everything.
I will do now. As a part of this topic, I will be posting. You will see. Yeah.
Okay.
Now here today we are going to talk about the open item management for prepaid expense. Now what is a prepaid expense? Before we are paying before.
Paid in
In
advance.
advance, correct? So something like the very good example is the prepaid insurance, right? So the companies, what they do is for the insurance for the entire year they will pay at once, correct? And then every month they will write it down as an expense. Background noise. See, if repeaters will get permanently muted. Yeah, I can see where the noise is coming from. Okay, now, right, so now, prepaid insurance expense account, yeah? Prepaid insurance account, not expense, it's an asset account. Now, suppose I have to pay insurance, this is the due date. Suppose insurance due date is today. Okay, what is the date today?
10th, sir. 10th.
4th.
October.
Now what we have done is we have made all the insurance payment before itself, right? On the quarter start date or middle of the year, right? So on 1st June I have posted all of it. Right, so on 1st June, that is before the due date itself, I have made the insurance payment, right? Payment. Okay, what is the prepayment date? What is the entry? So it will be prepaid insurance account. Account is debited.
To bank account.
Correct. Bank account is credited. How much?
40,000.
So this is an open item now, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because we paid before. This will be an open item. Okay, open item created. Okay, so this prepaid insurance account is a asset plus open item account. That is how you have to understand.
డే బై డే రావచ్చు.
Okay, next. So prepaid insurance account is debited, bank account is credited. Okay. Next. Then what I will do is this open item will remain open until due date, correct? Yes, so now when the due date comes, right, imagine today's date, right? On today's date what we will do? We will recognize it as an expense. Yeah, insurance expense account is debited. How much? 40,000.
Prepaid insurance.
Prepaid insurance.
Insurance account.
Credited, correct?
Yes.
How much? 40,000. So what is happening now? This account, if you observe here, open item. What happened to open item?
Clear.
Right, so finally what is remaining? Insurance expense account debit to bank account.
Bank account.
Right, so this account is coming in the middle and going out, correct?
Yes.
Right. So open item getting created, open item getting cleared, right? So that's why it's an open item account, right? So every debit, every credit. Correct. Understood? Yeah, no doubt.
So repeat once again, sir.
Yeah, Professor, here what we are doing is, yes,
Sir, in material it is given as prepaid expense account to bank account.
prepaid insurance expense, prepaid insurance, yeah, prepaid insurance expense, right? But it is prepaid, na? It's not an expense account, it's an asset account, yeah? No. Yeah, but it is insurance related expense, no? That's why the word is there, prepaid insurance expense.
Okay.
Okay? Okay, note down. Everybody, then I will discuss. Okay. Right. Now, so what it is? So whenever, so actually the insurance is due today. Right. Actually the insurance is due today, but we paid before. Then we paid on 1st June. So when we paid before, that is the prepayment date, we will post this entry. Correct? Yeah, we will post this entry. And when we are clearing, when the due date comes, we will post this entry. Insurance to prepay. Okay? No doubt. No. So what it is, prepaid insurance, what are the two conditions? Yeah, this is an interview question. No doubt. What are the two conditions? Two conditions for the creation of open item account. Conditions for the creation of open item account. First one, it should be a balance sheet account. Okay. Second one, it should require clearing in future. Okay, note down please. So these are the two conditions. One, it should be balance sheet, means it should be either asset or liability. And second thing, it should require clearing in future. Future means it should become zero. If there is any balance in that account, means what? Some problem is there. Correct now? So that's why it should become.
Problem means fraud.
Yeah, not fraud. There is something that you are not doing. Yeah. Yeah. Either the something that you are supposed to clear up, you are not clear. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
these two conditions is only for prepaid expenses, sir?
Only for open item, not for
Okay.
prepaid. It is for open item, both.
Both, okay, sir.
Which GL account you are going to create as open item? Only balance sheet GL account, like liabilities and assets can be created as open item account. Suppose if it is revenue or expense account, I cannot create. Sir, I cannot create it as open item account, right? What I should do? We only liabilities and asset accounts can be created as an open item account.
Okay, sir.
And then what is the main condition? It should require clearing in one day or the other it should get cleared. Now this rent payable is there. One day or the other I have to pay the rent. No, I cannot skip that, right?
Sir, if we purchase from supplier in credit, in that case we use that open item system.
In every case we will use.
But when we purchase from supplier, that is not considered as liability. That is a revenue. That is purchase.
Purchase from supplier.
That time we can use that open item system.
Yes.
When sir we purchase from supplier, in that case can we use that open item system?
It is bill paid.
For everything it's open item, right? Whenever you are purchasing from anybody, when you are purchasing, an open item is created. When you are making the payment to him, open item is created.
Yes.
Same way with customer also. Whenever you are selling to customer, open item is created. When you receive the money from the customer, open item is cleared.
Yes, sir.
Right? So all these are open items.
Okay.
When you take a bank loan, that is also open item. When you pay it back, it is cleared.
Items cleared.
Understand? Open item is everywhere. That's why we have to discuss so much about it. Okay. Yeah, any other doubts?
Sir, if we done cash purchase or cash sales, it will not come under open items.
Correct. But these days, do we see any cash? Really? No, right? Not even 0.0001% are cash.
There is no chance to use the cash in the business.
No chance, correct. Yes. Correct, that's right. Right? So all the transactions are on the credit basis only. Even if it is 1 minute gap is there also, it will be termed as a credit only, correct? Correct or not? Yeah.
Yes.
So it is cash only when at the same time you are exchanging the good and cash. If there is 1 minute gap also, it is credit, and that is impossible in a real time environment, correct? So all are credit. Correct? Yes.
We will create it on 1st June and it will get cleared on 4th October.
Yes. Yeah, so prepaid, because we are making the prepaid on 1st June. So that open item is created. And when the time comes to make the payment, that is actually due date comes, we will knock it off. We will write it off as an expense. Yeah, it is not a prepaid anymore. It will become an expense from today onwards.
Sir, is there any time on maximum we pay this much advance on this?
Is it?
Is there any time on maximum? Within this period only we can make a payment in advance.
No time span. It is up to your account what you want to do. Correct?
So it means that we can make payment in advance in 1 year also.
Yeah, you can do. Right? So it will be deferred and all those things will be. Okay.
Sir, if the payment is paid in advance, whether the item is cleared, sir?
When you make the payment, it is created, correct?
Okay, sir. We are making in advance now, sir.
Yeah, when you are making prepayment is nothing but advance.
Okay, sir.
Right? When you make the advance payment, it is open item is created.
When the date arrives,
comes,
it is cleared. Okay, sir.
So what if when we prepaid like next financial year?
Prepaid this year, but it is cleared in the next year. Huh?
We prepaid next financial year. And it's cleared in next financial year. But we paid now.
There is no difference between a period and the year. Right? Now this month, next month. How you are going to manage? Carry forward.
Okay.
This year, next year, how you are going to manage? Same way. See, period 11, we are moving from period 11 to period 12. Yeah. Same way we are moving from period 12 to period 1 of next year. What is the difference?
Which balance sheet, like 2021 or 22 balance sheet?
Yeah. So last year balance sheet, it will be shown as an asset, right? If it is prepaid, it will be showing as a prepaid asset balance. Like our money is with somebody. Correct. It will come in the balance sheet, no? Correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Good. So now, let's go and create the GL account. Okay? What is the GL account we have to create now? Slash and what is the T code to create the GL account? FS00, right? What is the T code to see the line item?
FBL 3N.
FBL 3N. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. Ravi Shankar, yeah? I told you I will ask you any time. Ravi Shankar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Line item display.
ABL 3N.
Display the document.
AB03.
Balance of a GL account.
FS 10.
To post a GL document.
AB50.
Everything. Good. Pooja. Yes, Pooja. To display the document.
To display the document FB03.
Line item display.
FBL 3L.
To create a GL account.
FS00.
To see the balance of an account.
FS 10L.
FSN, very good. Gaurav. Gaurav, can you hear me?
Hello?
Yes, Gaurav.
Gauri sir.
Gaurav. No? Okay. Monica.
Yes, sir.
To display the document.
FB03.
Line item display.
FBL 3N.
To create a GL account.
FS00.
Balance of an account.
FS 10N.
Good. Shyam Kumar. Shyam Kumar, can you hear me? Shyam Kumar, can you hear me?
No.
So this tells me that they are not at the desk, correct? Yes. Iyer, Abhishek Iyer. Abhishek Iyer, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good. Line item display. Yes, clear. Line item display. Line item display.
FBL 3S.
To create a GL account.
FBL 3S.
Good. To create a GL account.
FS00.
Balance of a GL account.
FB10N.
Balance of a GL account.
FB10N.
Sorry, sir.
Balance of a GL account. To see the to display the document.
To display the document. FB0.
Sorry.
To display the document.
Sorry, your voice.
Display the document. Others, are you able to hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So to see the balance of a GL account.
Balance of the GL and FB.
Yes, sorry. To see the balance of FS 10N.
FL. Good. Okay. Sunil Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sunil Kumar.
Sorry.
Sunil. Yeah, it's okay. I am done with you. Yeah. Sunil Kumar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the T code to see the company code global data?
Actually, sir.
OPY.
OBY6. Very good. Okay. Good. Balakrishna. Balakrishna, can you hear me? What is the T code to create a chart of accounts?
Yes, Balakrishna.
Are you able to hear me?
OB13.
OB13, correct, good. Yeah. What is the T code to define the number ranges? Come on, everybody answer.
OBA7.
OBS 7.
Correct? Yes, answer for yourself.
Our majorly please use earphones on.
Okay. Continue. I just wanted to check upon you whether where are you standing. Yeah. So you should time and again you have to refresh yourself. Okay. Yeah. Right. So now, I will put everybody on mute now. Then we will talk about the syllabus. Right. Okay, so today we are talking about the prepayment. So I am going to first post this entry. First I am going to create this account. This account I am going to create. Okay, let us create. It's the asset plus open item. Okay, so let me go like. So go to /NFS00. So here I am going to create like this. What is the account? It's an asset or liability? It's an asset. So what number I will give? 2000, some number 9. Enter. Group it is asset. Is it P&L or balance sheet? It's balance sheet. What is the name of the account? Prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance account. Okay, note down. Go to control data tab. Then INR, only balances in local currency. Then what I have to tick? Open item management. Then line item display. Then sort key 001. Okay, no doubt. Right. Okay. This is the control data. INR only balances open item like next 001. Correct. Go to create bank interest tab. In the status group is general G001. No, all this I am not taking. The relevant cash flow is not correct. Right? We have to remove it. On the save option now here. So this account I created, correct? Prepaid insurance account I created. Next, what should I do? On 1st June, I have to post this in. Correct? So let us post this. Where I will this? FB50. So go to FB50 /NFB50. go live. Okay. No. Also, give the code. This is our company code. C. You on date first June. Okay, so I am going to give it on 1st June. Then debit the, what is the entry? What is the entry here? Debit the prepaid insurance account, credit the bank account. Okay, let's go there. Debit the prepaid insurance. Prepaid insurance account. How much is the amount? 40. To which account? To bank account. Correct? Bank. Debit or credit? Credit. And here I will put start. Enter. So yellow warning I am getting. Just press enter. Done. So debit the prepaid, credit the bank. Debit the prepaid, credit the bank. Save. Okay, everybody. So I have posted this prepayment in. Okay. So if I go to my FBL 3N, yeah, in FBL 3N for my prepaid insurance account, this is prepaid insurance, right? For my prepaid insurance account, this one. Open item, execute. 1000 open item, red color, because my money is with other people, right, outside. So this is positive open item. You see, normally open items are minus, na? This is, you see, plus, positive open item. Here, okay. So this open item is created. This open item will remain until the due date comes. Now what is the due date here? What is my due date? Today. So today what I will do is, today I don't have to pay again. Na? Already I paid, right? Insurance I already paid. I don't have to pay again. Na? So on this day what I will do? I will try to write down. Okay, so what is the entry? Insurance expense account is dated. Prepaid insurance account is credit. Okay, so now you go like this. Go to /n write off, right? So note down the T code. So select and clear the open item. Okay, note down. To select and clear the open item, that is F-03. Right, so here we are not paying the open item, right? We are only, already we paid. We are only clearing the open item. Okay, already we paid, now we are not paying the open item, right? We have already paid, it is already prepaid, we are only clearing the open item. Okay? Let's go on.
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
So when can we clear this, this account, because we already make a prepayment, right? So on the day itself can we clear?
Yeah, today, if I have not made the prepayment, I have to pay today, right?
To wait until we get due date to clear the
Yeah,
document.
see, suppose if I have not paid this, I have to pay the insurance today, na? It would have been insurance to bank.
Yes.
But because I have already paid, now again I don't pay, na? So I will credit. Got the point?
Yeah. And can we clear on the date, prepayment day itself, like June 1st?
No, you are not getting the point. Why we will clear on 1st June when it is a due date is today? Correct? We have
Yeah.
made the payment on that day. Actually, we were supposed to pay it today.
Okay.
But what we have done, at a time we paid all the insurances. So that's why it was posted like this. Correct now. So when the due date comes, actually if we have not paid, we would have paid today. But because we have already paid now just we are clearing it.
Oh, thanks.
Right. Okay, so now what we will do, to select and clear the open item, note down this, F-04. Very carefully you observe this electrical key is F-03, we go like this. So go to /n F-03, you go like this, and give your account. Which account you should give? Your prepaid insurance account is there, no? That is my prepaid, this one, prepaid insurance. You select it. Then process open items, process open items, here you have, right? So now here you see, prepaid insurance account, credit. Prepaid insurance account is, what is it? This prepaid insurance account is credit side. So this side is already selected. Now I am talking about this side, debit side. Okay, debit side. So what we have to give on the debit side? So to give on the debit side, what we have to do is here. So click on the overview button. This one. Okay, so credit side is selected already. This is selected now, you see. Side we have to do, right? So what I will do, click on the overview button, and here I will give my debit like this. Debit. Which account? Insurance expense account. So did we create the insurance expense here? Is it there? Yes. Okay. Select the insurance expense account here like this. Press enter and put star here. Okay. Now document simulate. You can see insurance expense account is debited. Prepaid insurance account is credited. Okay, note down everybody, this is the entry, the same entry I am talking, this entry. Same entry. Right. So now I will show you again. The same F-03 I will show you again. Okay. Yeah. So we go like this. F-03. So give the account like this. Then process open item. Then here this is the prepaid insurance account is credited now. This is credited like. Then you go to overview option here, and here you give 40 which account?
Prepaid
insurance expense account. Correct? Center, and here I will put star. Enter. Correct. Now document simulate. Expense account is debited, prepaid insurance account is credited. Right? Note down everybody. Yeah. So same thing. Yeah? Now I am posting. So is everybody clear? How did I post this?
Sir, in F-03, near prepaid insurance, 40 number has come, sir, like port city. Once go to that one. Starting page of F-03. Process.
Yeah.
40 has come, sir, then.
Yeah, so here that open item is on the debit side, na? Which item you are selecting? Which is on the debit side you are selecting, and you are crediting it.
Okay.
Got it? That item which was posted on 1st June, debit item that was posted on 1st June, you are selecting that item and now you are crediting it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, overview. Now here I am debiting it 40 and selecting the insurance expense account, enter, put star here, document, simulate. You see now clearly it is showing 50 prepaid insurance. Correct? 40 this account. Right? Clear everybody now? Yeah?
Yes.
Is it clear?
So when the
Yes sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right. So shall I post now?
Show me again, sir.
Again now? Okay. F-03, give the account number, process open item. Credit side is already selected, blue color, it is selected here. Debit side I have to give, to give debit side, click on the overview and give 40 here.
this is only debit side, no sir.
Which one is debit side? Okay. Debiting the expense, insurance expense. Okay. Now the document.
Sir, wait, sir. Your posting is 50 are not given.
Posting fee?
Your posting is 50 are not given.
Not given, right? It is open item picked up automatically.
Acha.
Yeah, you don't give. Only debit side we are giving. Credit side is already selected. Now I showed you na blue color.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here you can create is a special GL document type, OBA 7, no need.
Where is the document type here?
I'm asking you.
If it is required, I will tell you na. Correct?
Okay.
Yeah. So now again I am showing you F-03. Go like this. Process open items. Then here credit side is selected already 40. Correct? Then you go to overview option.
How we know that?
To the debit side.
Excuse me, sir. How we know that it is credit side?
Yeah, because see here.
Show me the sign, sir, please.
Here. Yeah, you see here. Yeah, so this item 2009, it's on the debit side. So if you are crediting means what? If the debit item you are picking means what? You are crediting only, right?
Yes, sir. I got it, sir. 40.
Yeah. So now overview option here. Then you give 40 here. With the insurance expense. Put star here again. Document simulate. Note down the entry. Insurance to prepaid insurance. Correct? Save. So when I do this, what will happen? I will go to the open item now, right? FBL3N. Any open item is there or not there?
Not there.
Now already cleared. You see, no open item. What happened to that open item? It will be in the cleared item, pink color. So I made the prepayment. I made prepayment on 1st June. On the due date, it is not prepayment anymore. I have written it off as an expense. Now it is not prepayment anymore, right? The due date has come, so I have written it off as an expense. Insurance expense to prepaid.
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, what are the two things you have to remember? One, open item is not just related to GL. It is there in vendors, accounts payables, receivables, and most of the things are open items. That's why it's important. Second thing, what are the two conditions for open item application?
In balance sheet side.
Should be a balance sheet.
Balance sheet should be cleared.
Clearing
Required clearing in future. Correct? Yeah. Okay, so the background noise is not getting resolved for this class, right? I have other sessions, I take sessions for other classes also. They are pin drop silence, right? But this batch somehow there is a background noise, yeah? You should address it.
Then make them
Whoever it is,
completely.
yeah.
No problem, sir. Make them completely.
Yeah. So that is the final resort I will go. See, if you are not able to sit in quiet environment, then don't unmute, no? Yeah, why disturb everybody? Yeah. So first of all, try to sit in a quiet environment. If you are not able to it, don't unmute yourself, right? Yeah. Okay, then thank you guys, everybody. We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to talk about the reversals concept. Yeah, it's important. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you, everybody. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you.